All right, 1.95 from your homework assignment. Sterling silver is 92.5% silver by mass, with a density of 10.3 grams per cubic centimeter. If a cube of sterling silver has a volume of 20.0 cubic centimeters, how many ounces of pure silver are present? Well, we've got lots of numbers here. Fortunately, we can label two of them right away as unit conversions because of chemistry cap. First, we hear 92.5%. So, that tells us that there are 92.5 parts of silver for every 100 parts of sterling silver. Then we have a density of 10.3 grams per cubic centimeter. So once again, we have grams per 1 cubic centimeter. So we need to start with 20.0 cubic centimeters is the only number left, so we're going to start our line with that. And I'm going to use the abbreviation SS for sterling silver. So I have 20 cubic centimeters of sterling silver. I don't want sterling silver, so I have to create a ratio where my sterling silver cancels out. I don't want cubic centimeters of sterling silver, so I need to create a ratio where my cubic centimeters of the sterling cancels out. My density lets me do that, right? So that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to say that 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 10.3 grams. So I've now gotten rid of cubic centimeters, and I have units of grams. Now this problem doesn't want grams, they want ounces. I need a conversion factor that lets me go from grams to the English standard system. So I went to the constants table that you can get by clicking in the upper left-hand corner of your homework problem, and I discovered that 454 grams equals 1 pound. So I now have a relationship that lets me get rid of grams. Place grams where they cancel out. Now I have pounds. Also from that constant table, if you didn't already know it, 1 pound is 16 ounces. I now have ounces of sterling silver. You could, if you wanted to, just take your normal percentage at this point. Or if you wanted to do it unit analysis wise, you could say I've got sterling silver, I need my sterling silver to cancel out. I want silver, according to my ratio up here, I have 92.5 parts of silver for every 100 parts of sterling. So I would multiply everything on top, divide through by everything on the bottom, and when I do that, that gets me 20 times 10.3 divided by 454 times 16 times 92.5 divided by 100, and that gives me 6.715418502 ounces as my calculator lie. Now I have to examine my sig figs here, and when I examine my sig figs, I see 3 sig figs there, I see 3 sig figs in my density, and I see 3 sig figs in my initial measurement. So I should have 3 sig figs to report. Round on the basis of that 5, and that's going to give me a final answer of 6.72 ounces. And I'm going to check and make sure I didn't make a math error here. I mean, I am brilliant. I think that's acknowledged. Um, so I doubt I... Oh, I didn't make a mistake. I am indeed as perfect as I thought I was. That's it for this one.